Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix microphone not detected Windows 11. To start, we will access Settings from the Start menu. There, we will go to the System section, then click on Sound. Here, you can adjust the microphone volume using the slider bar. The error may be that it has no volume. After that, in the Input section, you will click on the option Microphone. At the bottom, click on the button Start Test. Wait for it to be done, and when you consider it, click on Stop Test. You can see the results. Then in the search box, enter Sounds. Open Change System Sounds. Now in the tab Recording, right-click somewhere and confirm that the available options are active. After that, select the microphone and validate that it is as the default device. Apply the changes if you need to. Again, access Settings from Start. There, in the Windows Update section, click on Advanced Options. Now you will click on the option Optional Updates. Click on Driver Updates to check if there is an update for the microphone in Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.